What's the meaning of Beachy Head? Beachy Head. Beachy Head.
Beachy Head. Beachy Head. Beachy Head is a famous chalk headland located on the south coast of England, near the town of Eastbourne in East Sussex. It is a popular spot for tourists and locals alike, known for its stunning natural beauty and rich history. The name Beachy Head is thought to derive from the Old English words beas and heathfod, which together mean a hill with a steep drop, reflecting the dramatic cliffs that overlook the English Channel. The area is also associated with several tragic events, including numerous shipwrecks and a high number of suicides, leading some to consider it one of the most haunted places in the UK.